A Garmin dashcam can cost around $400. A next-based setup can push even higher. But what most drivers don't realize is that there are dashcams with 4K recording, Sony image sensors, GPS tracking, parking protection, and many of the same premium features for less than half the money. The logo is different, but the footage often isn't. The problem is that some dashcams are cheap for a reason, and the last thing you want after an accident, a hit and run, or an insurance dispute is no evidence. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 little-known dashcam brands and the exact models that deliver serious value for specific driving needs, with some costing less than $100 at the time of recording. Plus, I'll show you the 4 checks that tell you whether a cheap dashcam is a hidden gold mine or a frustrating waste of money. Number 5. WOLFBOX. Most drivers have never heard of WOLFBOX, and if they have, they probably know the brand for its mirror dashcams rather than high-end recording technology. That's exactly why the X5 Duo is such a surprise. The X5 Duo uses a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor at the front and a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor at the rear, paired with 4K front recording and 2.5K rear recording. That's why I've selected it as the best 4K front and rear dashcam. The X5 Duo gives you detailed footage from both directions, which can make a big difference when you're trying to identify a vehicle after a rear-end collision, capture a license plate during a hit and run, or prove what happened in a lane change dispute. The feature list doesn't look budget either. You get 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, voice control, parking protection, a touchscreen display, and a 64 GB memory card included in the box. One feature that stood out to me was the built-in 6-axis gyro and electronic image stabilization. That's designed to reduce camera shake and help keep footage clearer on rough roads where cheaper dashcams can struggle. When I checked the price via the link below, the X5 Duo was available for around $175, which is much cheaper than some of the bigger brand names. Number 4. Seventour. Sometimes it isn't just the price that puts people off buying a dashcam, it's the installation. Running cables through trim panels, hiding wires behind interior panels, and figuring out where everything connects can turn a simple upgrade into an afternoon project. That's exactly the problem Seventour is trying to solve. The Seventour SC1 is my top pick as the best wireless dashcam because instead of relying on complicated wiring, the SC1 uses a wireless connection, a built-in 15,000 mAh battery, and a 6-watt solar charging panel. According to Seventour, once fully charged, it can operate for up to 35 hours without needing to be plugged in. The camera also attaches using a magnetic mount, which means installation can take minutes rather than hours. That's particularly useful for truck owners, camper owners, trailer users, and anyone who wants a camera they can move between vehicles. Despite the convenience focus, you're still getting 1080 pixel recording, night vision, a 7-inch touchscreen, loop recording, and a 32 GB memory card included in the box. The downside is that it can't match the image quality of the 4K cameras on this list. But if you've been putting off buying a dashcam because you don't want the hassle of wiring one in, the Seventour SC1 offers one of the simplest solutions available. It's also extremely budget-friendly. When I checked the price via the link below, it was available for under $100. Before we continue, here are the 4 checks I promise to help you buy a budget dashcam that's still high quality. First, check the image sensor. Most buyers focus on resolution. That's a mistake. A 4K dashcam with a weak sensor can produce worse footage than a lower resolution camera with a better sensor. Look for proven sensors such as Sony STARVIS or Sony STARVIS 2. They're often the difference between reading a license plate and staring at a blurry mess. Second, check the parking mode. A surprising number of insurance claims happen when the vehicle isn't moving. If a dashcam can't monitor your car while it's parked, you're only getting half the protection. Third, check the app and Wi-Fi. Most buyers ignore this until they need footage. Fast Wi-Fi and a good app can mean the difference between having a video on your phone in seconds or spending 20 minutes fighting with memory cards. Fourth, check whether it uses a supercapacitor. Heat is one of the biggest killers of electronics left inside a vehicle. A supercapacitor generally handles extreme temperatures better than a traditional battery and can improve long-term reliability. Run those 4 checks and most of the difference between an expensive dash cam and a smart dash cam starts to disappear. Back to the list. Number 3, REDTIGER. Many drivers see the REDTIGER name and immediately put it into the budget category. The brand doesn't have the recognition of Garmin or Nextbase, which is why many buyers overlook it. But that's exactly why the F7NA made this list. The F7NA is my top choice as the best dash cam for night driving, because REDTIGER invested where it matters most, the image sensor. It uses a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor paired with HDR and WDR technology designed to handle dark roads, bright headlights, tunnels, and sudden lighting changes. That's important because almost every dash cam looks good on a sunny afternoon. Night driving is where the weak cameras get exposed. The F7NA captures in 4K at the front and 1080 pixel resolution at the rear. You also get GPS tracking, voice control, parking protection, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and support for memory cards up to 512 gigabytes. One feature I particularly like is the built-in supercapacitor. Unlike traditional battery-powered designs, it's designed to handle extreme temperatures more reliably, which is exactly what you want from a device sitting on your windscreen all year. It's a solid all-rounder, but for drivers who spend a lot of time on dark roads, the REDTIGER F7NA is an excellent choice in my view. It was available for around $130 at the time of recording, and you can see the current pricing via the link below. Number 2, 70mm. You've already got some well-priced options on this list, but if you're simply looking for the cheapest dashcam available that still does the job, then the 70mm 810 Lite is available for under $90 via the link below at the time of recording. Despite the price, you're still getting 4K front recording, a 1080 pixel rear camera, HDR night vision, GPS tracking, voice control, parking protection, and fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. One feature that really surprised me was the optional 4G LTE support. With the additional hardwire kit, you can remotely view footage, track your vehicle's location, and receive alerts through the app. That's functionality you normally expect from much more expensive systems. You also get a 64GB memory card included in the box, which means you can start using it straight away without buying additional storage. The downside is that some of those remote monitoring features require extra hardware, so you won't get the full experience straight out of the box. But if you're trying to stretch your budget as far as possible without sacrificing the features that actually matter, the 70mm 810 Lite is currently my top choice. Most dash cams are designed to record what happens after something goes wrong. Number 1, Vantrue. The Vantrue S1 Pro is different because it's one of the few cameras on this list that actively tries to help you avoid problems in the first place. That's why it's my pick for the best overall dash cam. One of the standout features is the built-in driver assistance technology. The S1 Pro includes forward collision alerts and blind spot warnings, helping drivers spot potential hazards in busy traffic, during lane changes, and in crowded car parks. I also like the option for 60 frames per second recording. Higher frame rates can make fast-moving vehicles, road signs, and license plates easier to identify when reviewing footage later. Now, on paper, some of the cameras earlier in this video offer higher recording resolutions. But the reason the S1 Pro takes the top spot is balance. It combines strong image quality, advanced safety features, reliable parking protection, voice controls, GPS tracking, app connectivity, and one of the most complete feature sets in this entire video. The downside is that some drivers may find the driver assistance alerts unnecessary, particularly if their vehicle already includes similar technology. Fortunately, those features can be adjusted or turned off. If you want the dash cam that does the most things well, rather than excelling in just one category, the Vantrue S1 Pro is the model I'd choose. When I checked the price via the link below, it was available for around $114.